Jeffree Star drags these influencers. Things get messy. Hey bestie, grab your iced coffee or your matcha because the tea today, it's piping hot. So allegedly, and I'm saying allegedly because, girl, you know how the internet gets Jeffree Star has been dragging influencers again, and things are getting seriously messy in the beauty world. Now, you know Jeffree. He's been in this game forever. Like, if there's drama, his name usually ends up somewhere in it. But lately, the beauty community has been buzzing because clips have been floating around of Jeffree allegedly calling out fake influencers, clout chasers, and people who don't really do the work. And of course, the second those words hit the algorithm, boom, the internet went wild. Babe, it started like this. A few shady comments dropped during one of Jeffree's lives, and instantly, fans started dissecting every word like it was a riddle. Bloggers, TikTok creators, and YouTube commentators jumped in with their own theories. Some think he was shading certain mid-tier beauty creators who've been caught in controversies lately. Others swear he was just speaking generally. But let's be real, Jeffree's never been one to talk in general. What really sent everyone spiraling was when people started connecting dots. They were like, wait, is he talking about so-and-so who just did that sketchy brand deal? Or is this about that influencer who got caught editing their swatches? It was giving FBI beauty unit. Everyone had a theory, and comment sections turned into full investigation boards. Then, of course, Twitter or X, whatever we're calling it now, went into chaos mode. Fans started posting old tweets, clips, and even podcast soundbites saying, see, Jeffree's been like this for years. Some people defended him, saying he's just brutally honest and that someone needs to call out the fakeness in influencer culture. Others said he's reigniting old patterns, stirring up negativity when the beauty space has finally calmed down. The split was real. And while all that was brewing online, beauty brands were quietly sitting back, watching from the sidelines. Nobody wants their product launch caught in the middle of influencer drama. So PR teams were like, let's pause that collab until this dies down. It's funny because for viewers, it's just gossip. But behind the scenes, this kind of mess can actually impact money, deals, and careers. So allegedly, Jeffree went live again and said he wasn't shading anyone specific, that he was just speaking truth about fake energy in the industry. But come on. When someone like Jeffree talks, people listen and screenshot. Fans were zooming in, slowing clips down, reading body language like it was a true crime doc. It's giving CSI Beauty Edition. Now, what's even crazier is that some fans said they miss this version of Jeffree, the unfiltered, chaotic truth teller who keeps it real. They claim the beauty space has gotten too polished, too brand safe, and that drama used to make it fun. But others are like, girl, we're not trying to relive 2018 drama YouTube again. And honestly, I get both sides. The tea hits, but peace is cute too. But let's be real, Jeffree knows exactly what he's doing. Every time his name trends, his brand sells out. He's a marketing mastermind. Every call out, every review that goes viral, every shady comment, it all feeds engagement. And in influencer culture, attention equals money. So while everyone else is arguing, Jeffree's probably sitting in Wyoming, sipping an energy drink, laughing at the analytics. Now, honestly, babe, this whole situation just proves that the beauty industry never really sleeps. 1 minute, everyone's blending concealer. The next, they're blending drama. But it does make you think, have we really evolved past the drama era? Or are we just repackaging it in prettier packaging? Either way, it's content, and the internet is eating it up like it's a Sephora sale. Here's the positive takeaway, though. We, as smaller creators and viewers, can actually learn from this. Transparency, authenticity, and integrity go way further than messy callouts. Being real doesn't mean being reckless. You can speak your truth without burning every bridge, and building a brand that isn't tied up in chaos, that's the real luxury. Speaking of luxury and self-expression, I gotta plug my beauty shop real quick, bestie, because if you love nails, lip glosses, and that I'm cute but unbothered vibe, my online store's got you covered. Every gloss and press-on set I make is inspired by moments like this glam, bold and a little mysterious. Shop link is below because your nails should always match your energy. Before I hang up this FaceTime call, let me leave you with a little reminder. Don't let the internet drama distract you from your own glow up. Everyone's story looks perfect online, but the real win is staying focused on your lane. Whether you're building a business, doing nails, or starting your content journey, remember, consistency is the comeback. And that's all for today's gossip, bestie. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want me to do a part 2, where we dive into the influencer reactions and the alleged behind-the-scenes DMs, drop an emoji in the comments. Because trust me, the tea is far from over. Until next time, stay pretty, stay peaceful, and stay out of messy group chats.